Once again, welcome to GIJO Gadgets YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to bind this EMAX Tiny Hawk 2 into this Jumper T16 remote. Okay, so this is it. So before I begin, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell for the future video. Thank you. Okay, today I'll share to you how to bind from this EMAX Tiny Hawk into this Jumper T16. Okay, so this Jumper T16, from here I have set up the just a profile there, Tiny Hawk 2. Okay, I've set up profile Tiny Hawk 2. Okay, now, so this Tiny Hawk 2 bind and fly version. So it came together with 1S battery and 2S battery. Okay, so just put aside this one for me to bind. So to prepare for binding, of course, you have to prepare a profile. So this EMAX is using a FreshSky D, so it's a D8 channel. Okay, so from here, I've set the model here, a profile, and then on your jumper. You have to set, okay, this comes with internal RF, so you have to choose the mode. You have to enable it from off into on, into multi, and then you choose for FreshSky and select D8. Okay, so it's mean 8 channel. So here you can prepare, use the scroll here, point to the bind. Okay, so now can power up the quad. Okay, power up the quad. Alright, so as you can see, there's a bind button here. As before, I did a video also how to bind. So let me show you. Okay, there's a bind button over here, small here. Okay, so you just press on it. And you can see red light. Okay, it's blinking. Okay, now, so from here, now, then you can click on the bind. Okay, there you are, bind ready, and the color change. Okay, color change. So it's bind. Okay, so how do you confirm it's bind? I have set this switch as an arm, so we can just try, but we have to hold the quad rather than fly away. Okay, okay, bind already. Okay, so now we have to check the configuration using the beta flag. So I'm gonna launch my beta flag. Okay, that's my beta flag. So, okay, so prepare your remote and also prepare your USB cable. Okay, so now connect to your quad. Okay, connect it. There you are. Oops. Okay, as you can see on the screen, that's the gyro. Okay, you see on the screen. So you have to check on the setting. Let's do a calibrate. Okay, so now go for configuration. So the setting has been, the ESC has been set as by factory is a D-Shot 600, and the motor spin quite fast when you arm, so I'm just going to change it to 4.5. and then what else? So this is a Fry Sky E. Okay, I think that's about it. Save. Okay, yep, there's a respawn here, and battery, just the power, and then this 3.3 warning cell at 3.3. fail safe. Okay, fail safe, I'm gonna put it as stage 2. Okay, save and reboot. And then go for receiver. Okay, so for receiver, can do a confirmation by touching a stick, just remote stick, just to find out if all okay. So this is throttle, and this is yaw, pitch, and roll. This is auxiliary 1, arming, and I've set this one as fly mode. Okay, and this is this is a fail safe. Okay, so this one put on 7. Save. Okay, now mode. Okay, mode. This is the switch. Normally I put into half, and this is angle. Okay, same switch. Okay, and this is horizon, and also there's A mode. I need to add the A mode here. A mode. Oh, there's no A mode. Okay, that's okay. Okay, I think A mode is prefixed already. Okay, and then there's no beeper. Flip over crash. I have not set this as a flip over crash. Okay, never mind. I'll set that one later. And some adjustment here. Okay. Yes, I think that's about it. So let's try. So disconnect the cable. Gotcha. Okay. So once I connected, you can see there's a signal bar over there. Yes. Okay. So these are arms. Oh, perfect. So this is surface. Okay. So that's it. We test flight, assuming the quad crash, and it's been need to be flipped over. Okay, so we just do a test flight. Okay. So here we are. Okay. So this is the flip over crash. Have to turn it on. And then this arm, and then just do a flip. There you are. Okay, so now I have to turn off the flip over crash, this arm, and then I arm it back and try again. Okay, there you are. So just do a testing. Just a simple test. It flies well. Very steady, very cool. And then let's try hover and yaw. Wow, pretty. So these are using 1S battery. Nice, huh? Very steady. Okay. See you again. Thanks for watching. Yeehaw!